Hello and welcome to my channel, All Things with El. Today I will be showing you how I make akara, a delicious vegetarian-friendly meal. Akara is a deep-fried food usually made with 4 ingredients: beans, pepper, salt, and onions. It is quick and easy to prepare and therefore makes it one of my favorite recipes. So let's get started. So the first thing to do here is soak the beans for at least 1 hour. Soaking the beans softens it for easy peeling and blending. Now it's peeling time. What we want is the beans without the chaff, so this process removes the chaff from the beans. To separate the beans from the chaff, add some water, then drain it through a sieve to catch some of the beans that may come through. Repeat this process until you have a clean beans, and by clean I mean beans without the chaff. So this is what you should end up with. Now it's time for blending. To the beans I will be adding 1 onion chopped and 1 Scotch bonnet. And add some water. Make sure to add as little water as possible. The water should be just enough to move the blade of the blender. Here I have used 700 ml altogether. Here is what you should end up with: a thick consistency. Next, add ground crayfish. Here I've mixed it with a little bit of water to remove the sediment. Add a tablespoon of salt. Then mix to incorporate the ingredients. Now to the most important process to achieving that nice and soft fluffy akara. Grab your hand mixer and mix the batter until it's slightly risen. Please note, the consistency is no longer as thick as what we started with because of the mixing. Now it's time to do some frying. Check that the oil is hot and ready for frying by putting some onion slices. If it bubbles and comes up, then the oil is ready. It's important that the oil is hot enough or else the akara would absorb a lot of oil. Scoop the batter into the oil, but do not crowd the pan. Fry till golden brown, then flip the akara to the other side so that it browns evenly. Once you're happy with the akara, transfer to a flat plate lined with kitchen paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Continue with this process until you have all the batter fried into akara. So there you have it, nice and fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Akara can be served with a bowl of pap called Akamu in Nigeria, or a bowl of custard or garri, or stuffed in bread as a burger. They're also good as on-the-go snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like us, and share this video. Thanks for watching.